How to fix Roblox missing chat button. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox on your device. Then, as you can see as I enter the game, there is no chat option. To enable it, go to the home page and click on three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. In here, simply click on Communication. After you click on Communication, here, click on Experience Chat, which is the first option. After that, you'll find Experience Chat. Make sure it's everyone. Make sure the black dot is in everyone. After it's in everyone, if you join any game, you will find chat button at the top. And this is how to fix Roblox missing chat button. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.